Lead generation advertising. When considering the lead generation for your marketing campaign, you need to consider several things. Below are some tips and information to help you determine whether or not lead generation will be worthwhile. Lead generation marketing is all about capturing as many leads as possible. The key to remember is that you need to be generating more in sales than what you're spending on lead production. For this purpose, the lead acquisition expense is very important. For this reason, you must divide your overall lead generation marketing budget by the number of new leads generated. You may find that this amount can be very small. Lead generation advertising, especially online lead generation advertising, is a form of direct marketing. This means that the lead that you get will be the person that you were trying to capture in the first place, which is why this type of marketing is called direct marketing. Lead generation is just one component of your overall sales process. This is especially true if you own an offline business. In order to increase your sales, you need to have a well-developed sales process. One effective way to do this is through lead capture. With a lead capture system, it is easier to track the information that you need. Lead generation advertising does more than just generate leads. Lead generation advertising can also be referred to as marketing. For example, there are several lead capture companies that sell different products such as lead capture sheets and lead capture mazes. Lead generation advertising is the process of gathering information about the customers and putting it to use in order to develop a sales system. Lead generation marketing involves the use of mail in order to send leads to the right people. If you need to increase your sales, you should consider sending direct mail to customers. Direct mail is one of the cheapest and best forms of marketing that you can use. Lead generation marketing is also known as marketing that uses the internet to collect leads. With the internet, you can use a number of different types of methods, including banner ads, email lists, search engine marketing, social networking sites, and others to market your business. Lead generation advertising is a critical part of any marketing effort. If you're looking to increase your sales, it is important to make sure that you spend time and energy on your campaign and make it as effective as possible. There are a variety of ways to do this, but one of the best is lead generation advertising. Lead generation advertising can include many different methods and techniques that are used in order to get people to look at your site. The most common form of lead generation marketing is lead capture. This is a technique that is used for generating leads by sending emails to people who might have been interested in the products and services you offer. Lead generation marketing is a key ingredient for creating a profitable lead. In this form of lead generation advertising, people who are interested in what you have to offer will sign up to receive information or receive products and services that they might be interested in. Lead generation marketing is also referred to as marketing that uses other methods of advertising and other forms of direct mail to collect leads. In this type of marketing, people can sign up to receive information or services that they might be interested in. Lead generation marketing is very important to both new and experienced business owners. It is one of the easiest ways to build a list of customers. The key to building a list is to make sure that people know about your product or service. The reason for this is because people are much more likely to make a purchase if they are aware of a product or service. You can also find this type of lead generation marketing through lead capture sheets, lead capture mazes, lead capture pages, lead capture sheets, etc. There are many different ways to create lead capture sheets that you can put on your website so that you can get information about people's demographics and interests.